So this is a detailed video to show you how to upgrade your EasyStow PIT to an EasyStow PIT with powered rotation. That's going to be a different unit, and also to familiarize you with the different parts of the EasyStow PIT system with powered rotation. So this is the main mounting system that is for upgrading, and this is specifically on the Honda Odyssey. This is only available at the current time of this video for the Honda Odyssey. If you have a regular EasyStow PIR, then you will have to. It's probably not available for most models, and you can't upgrade. It would only be for certain models made after a certain date. This video was done in late 2020. So first thing we do is we're going to remove the cap that goes right on the top here. Pull that cap right out, and you insert right in here. Okay, it's an 1/8 inch Allen wrench. Tighten the 1/8 inch Allen wrench. Okay, our next step here is we're going to connect the rotate actuator. And the easiest way is just to set that pin in there just a little way. And then put the rotate actuator in place. A little easier when you're not doing it for a video. Okay, connect the power. The limit switch. There's a little limit switch right there that tells it when it's rotated too far. And you're going to have, unfortunately, your regular EasyStow is not going to be compatible with this, so you have to get a different EasyStow. It's got a little adapter you can see right in this area right here. So that's where that goes in. And then you simply take the unit over. You're going to slide this little collar back and put it in. We'll let the camera kind of show you there. That's where that collar goes right in. That slides right down. Okay. Next, you're going to have a different pendant here. So your pendant controller, you'll have just a little adapter to have the additional function listed. And connect to the new function, and there you have it. There's your fully functional up, down, out, and in for the powered rotation option on the EasyStow. Of course, you want to make sure that you do put in your rotate your safety pin right here. That's always every time you have the EasyStow on there. So there you have it, the EasyStow powered rotation upgrade, and then also familiarizing you with the different parts of the system. Thank you very much for watching this video. Call us at 1-607-669-4822 or 1-615-873-0518. This is a detailed video. Please watch the other videos in the notes field down below to learn much more about the Access Unlimited EasyStow PIR. Thank you.